The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro is a bold statement in American muscle car evolution, blending legacy performance with futuristic innovation. With rumors of it being the final model year of the Camaro in its traditional form, Chevrolet has ensured it leaves the stage with authority, style, and adrenaline-pumping power. At first glance, the 2025 Camaro looks sharper and more aggressive than ever. The design is a refined evolution of its predecessors, retaining the classic muscular stance but integrating more aerodynamic lines and a wider grille for better airflow. LED lighting all around enhances visibility and gives the car a futuristic glow. Chevy offers an array of vibrant color options, including a new Nitro Blaze Red that has already captured enthusiasts' attention. Under the hood, the Camaro doesn't disappoint. It offers multiple powertrains to appeal to different driving needs. The base model now features a turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine producing 325 horsepower, ideal for daily driving with an aggressive edge. The IT1 and SS trims get the mighty 6.2-liter V8 engine, churning out up to 455 horsepower. The top-tier ZL1 returns with a supercharged V8 delivering over 650 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Camaros ever built. Each engine is paired with either a slick-shifting 6-speed manual or a refined 10-speed automatic transmission. One of the most exciting additions in the 2025 model is the integration of Chevrolet's eBoost mild hybrid technology in select trims. This system not only helps reduce emissions but also adds a slight performance boost during acceleration, improving 0 to 60 miles per hour times without sacrificing fuel economy. The result is a Camaro that respects the environment just a bit more while still delivering heart-racing performance. Inside, the Camaro receives a substantial tech upgrade. The dashboard features a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by Chevrolet's latest software. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot come standard. The cabin has been refined with improved materials, more comfortable sports seats, and additional sound-deadening features, making it more enjoyable for long drives and daily commutes. Safety has also taken a front seat in this generation. Chevy's full suite of driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control is either standard or available across most trims. This modernizes the Camaro for a new era of driving, ensuring drivers can enjoy the thrill responsibly. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the optional track package, which includes performance suspension, Brembo brakes, sport exhaust, and track-tuned stability controls. Whether on city streets or racetracks, the Camaro remains agile, composed, and endlessly fun to drive. The 2025 Camaro is more than just a car, it's a celebration of a legacy that dates back over half a century. It represents the end of an era and possibly the beginning of a new one, as Chevrolet hints at an all-electric successor in the near future. Until then, this final version of the gas-powered Camaro delivers everything fans could want: power, style, innovation, and attitude. For those who have ever dreamed of owning a piece of muscle car history, 2025 may be the last chance to get behind the wheel of a true American icon.